How to remove the battery from a Ring doorbell. All right, so the first step is to gather the required tools. So before you begin, make sure you have the Ring security screwdriver that came with your doorbell. If you don't have it, a compactable Torex T6 screwdriver will also work. So try to get this screwdriver. Now, you could also remove the security screw, which is to simply locate a small security screw at the bottom of the doorbell. Use the screwdriver to loosen and remove it. So you could use the screwdriver to loosen and remove this particular screw right here. All right. Now, once you've removed it, you should now go ahead and remove the faceplate. So once the screw is removed, gently push up from the bottom and pull the faceplate away from the doorbell. So just simply, follow that step. And now all you need to do now is simply release the battery. So you could now go ahead and release the battery by pressing the battery release tab and slide the battery pack out of the compartment. That way you can get your Ring battery out. And then all you need to do is just simply charge the battery. So use a micro USB or a USB-C cable, depending on your version, and charge your battery. The indicator will show red while charging and green when fully charged. Now, to reinstall the battery and faceplate, just simply put everything back. So slide the battery back into the compartment until it clicks into place, reattach the faceplate and secure it with screws, and that's all. Now, for non-removable batteries, some models like the Ring Video Doorbell, the second gen, have a built-in battery. For these, simply remove the entire doorbell from its mounting bracket and charge it using a USB-C port. All right.